Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the scene, position the subject in even light and remove strong backlight. Once done, open the app and immediately allow camera access so tracking can initialize. Next, select the face tracking preset. This loads the detection model quickly. Make sure the subject fills the frame but remains at a comfortable distance. Too close breaks tracking. Finally, steady the device on a tripod or handheld rig to reduce jitter and let the system lock onto facial landmarks. Now refine the tracking parameters to balance responsiveness and stability. First, tweak sensitivity, reduce it on lightweight phones to avoid false positives, and increase it when you need quick reaction to movement. Then set smoothing between 0, 3 and 0, 6. This filters jitter but keeps motion natural. Also enable landmark mapping so the system tracks eyes, nose, and mouth individually. This improves overlays and effects. Finally, test with a short recording and adjust values until movements look fluid. Finish by recording a brief test clip and inspecting alignment, lip sync, and eye tracking. If you notice drift, stop and rerun face detection, or nudge smoothing and sensitivity. Small changes often fix it. When the subject moves out of frame, reposition the camera to maintain headroom rather than relying on high sensitivity. If occlusions or low light cause failure, increase exposure slightly or apply a small fill light. And consider temporary markers to help the algorithm relock onto features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.